안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. My inspiration for today's nail art is the music video Whatcha Doin by YeSung and ChungHa. Here are my base colors for today. For my index nail, I'll be doing this part of the music video. First, I'll paint a white circle on the middle of my orange nail. Then, after that, I'll add some different colors of dots. This will serve as the balloons. I'll be doing the same design for my middle nail. The only thing that's different is the base color. And this is inspired by this part of the music video. For my ring nail, I'll be trying to do this part. So, I'm applying 3 different colors on my stamper and I'm smooshing it onto my nail. After letting it dry, I applied a white box on the tip of my nail. Then I added 2 different colors. For my pinky nail, I'll be doing this part. Then I painted a white box on the middle of my yellow base. Then I stamped it with a red pixel heart design. And for my thumbnail, I'll be doing this part. And after all of that, I applied Topcoat. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked today's nail art. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!